Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Deepl right to improve clarity. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the very end so you can get the full information. Now, I have a text here generated by ChatGPT. I'm going to use, for example, this other one, which is normal. I'm going to copy it or something like this, and I'm going to paste it right over here. So here we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose first the language. So make sure to choose the right language for the text. You could be talking Chinese, so you have to choose Chinese. You could be talking French, German, Italian, Korean, Portuguese, Japanese, and Spanish and Brazilian. So now what we have to do is to have this text here on the left, which is our original text. Now, a text that is clear and basically simple and have clarity in it, well, it really depends on what you mean by clarity. Do you want it to be more casual? Then you can choose it from here. So you simply have to choose exactly the writing style or the tone. You want it to be friendly. A friendly text could be pretty like the clarity of it could be very hard actually. You could be confident. Football is without question one of the most influential and unifying sports in the world. That's very clear for me. FIFA and other international organizations govern the sport and its ability to transcend cultural and geographical boundaries. But basically, the text is clear, it seems, and it's better than this one. It's more professional. It looks confident since you are using govern, unparalleled. It fosters, like there is some kind of word that shows that you are confident. At the same time, it uses words that are very clear and pretty professional. And yeah, you could use a simple one, but it loses its potential. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. This is how you can make your text in DeepL very clear. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys next upcoming video.